Scarlet Air, built on love. Love, a big sacrifice, isn't it? You forgive and try to forget. You know you cry, but you still give it a try. You hurt, but you still continue to love. You were betrayed, but you still hope. And the next big hit, you've been left, but you still want. Love's not a noun that names what you have. Never a pronoun to be able to replace something. Must not be an adjective to describe a feeling, not an adverb to verb what you've done, nor a preposition to place where you want it to be. It's more than a conjunction to show a connection or an interjection to exaggerate what you feel. Love is a verb, an action word, and to make it work, you must able to do everything. Love is a single word, but so meaningful. It's not just a can trust me, but I'll never make you doubt. Not just take care, but let me take care of you. Not just I'm sorry, but I'll never give you, I will never hurt you again. Not just don't worry, but I'll never give you reason to worry. Not just I love you, but my life has no meaning without